Sure. అన్నిసార్లు లేదా కొంత escape
Both fighters take the center of the cage.
Syed Zabi, blue corner.
And Anand Shah from the red corner. Both fighters touch gloves. Oh,
That
and
was
they start. I think he got hit in the groin. Anand Shah got hit in the groin.
That was unintentional.
Oh, great hook by Zabi. Great hook by Zabi
Syed Zabi
again.
is connecting. Oh,
Great leg kick.
Syed Zabi is hitting hard shots. Oh, that connected.
Anand Shah connected. Great hook again.
Anand Shah connected that.
It's round one and both fighters are throwing hard and strong and fast punches. Nice jab by Anand Shah. Zabi counters back with his zone.
Syed is very active.
Very active. Jab cross. Anand Shah comes back. Oh, I think that knee
I think that knee connected.
landed near the chin.
The way Syed is going with the pace, I think he'll slow down as well.
Zabi with the
later
leg kick.
rounds.
Anand Shah marching forward. Nice cross
Now
by
Shah is
Anand Shah.
connecting. He's connecting. Oh, Syed connected.
Nice leg kick by Anand Shah.
Oh, Syed is tired. Syed is tired now. Anand Shah is very calm. Like,
Very calm. Yeah, like he
extremely
thinks
calm.
he
And
knows he
I
has
feel
it.
Syed has given everything now.
Yeah.
And with
Approaching
Anand Shah is
forward,
connecting.
marching forward.
Oh,
Great
that was
overhand.
Oh, that was good. Syed
think-
is very tired. Syed is very
I
tired.
think Syed is very tired right now.
And Anand Shah, on the other hand, he is
Anand Shah seems
he's
focused,
maintaining
calm.
that same pace throughout.
End of round one. What a fantastic round one from Anand Shah. Syed had a great start, but I think he's a little tired.
Anand, Anand Shah is. It looks like he's not even tired. He's smiling. He's ready. On the other hand, Syed, it feels like he has given everything in this round. He fought very aggressively this round. The second round is going to be interesting actually.
Second round will be very interesting. Round 2. And here we go. The thing is, Syed comes in with a lot of energy in beginning of
Yes.
every round. And Anand Shah counters
time
it back.
Anand- oh, that
Anand-
was good. Anand
was
Shah
good.
connected that.
That connected. The thing is, Syed comes in with a lot of energy. Anand Shah counters back with the same energy and he can continue. Anand Shah goes on that pace. Syed, on the other hand, I think. Oh, that was a good
That was good.
hook.
Oh, that overhand connected.
Overhand connected.
Oh, that left hook
Both
connected.
boys are swinging right now. Anand Shah seems very focused, logged in.
You can clearly see Anand Shah is waiting for that shot. He's thinking and hitting the shot.
Yeah,
Whereas Syed is charging aggressively.
charging.
Oh, that jab connected.
that's good
That was
jab.
good one by Syed.
Another
now
one
Anand
connected. That's good.
That left hook is he's connecting.
Oh,
Syed is connecting a lot of
Syed is
jab,
connecting a lot of
and
jab.
Anand is connecting with the left hook.
another jab connected for Syed. Syed seems to slow down now. He feels a little tired. Now Anand goes back on the attack. Great counters. Hook by Anand.
Syed is just charging, but he has a very good jab that connects.
Yeah, the jab connects. I think he should use it more. That jab is landing every time he's throwing.
Syed is very tired. He has started breathing from his mouth. I think Syed. Oh, that's what I like about Anand. He's calm and he's thinking and hitting the shot. No, Syed doesn't want to. I think Syed has to use a lot of straight punches because
Oh,
that
good
is working out
overhand.
for him. And in the inside circle, Anand Shah is getting. Oh, that was good. That was a good
cross.
shot.
Oh, that landed. End of round 2. Who do you think have the edge right now, Jitesh? Who do you think have the edge in the fight right now? Who's leading?
See, the third round, I feel that Anand Shah can do great things actually. Wherein Syed is tired. If you notice, Syed is very good at straight punches, and Anand is comfortable fighting from inside, where he is throwing a left hook or something like that. So if Syed is smart, he can take this bout even if he's tired and uses a lot of straight punches.
Straight punches.
He can,
Yeah,
he can
I
take
feel
this
that
bout.
jab is connecting
Yeah.
and he should use it more often.
And even though Syed is tired, he is actually entering and is not planning and he's just entering.
Yeah.
And he's exhausting himself.
We enter the final round. These have been two fantastic rounds by both Syed
I
and
think Syed
Anand.
has to maintain the pace. I think he'll take this fight then.
Yeah, Syed has to make something happen now.
Now Anand is
going in for the kill.
Suddenly you can see a lot of energy. Oh, that connected. Syed connected.
Syed connected.
Anand connected.
Oh, that was
Syed
good
connected.
cross. But I feel Syed is playing Anand's game. He's going inside where Anand is stronger.
Yes. And he's exhausting himself.
He's exhausting himself by doing
charging.
that,
He has good shots from outside.
Outside, yeah.
He's successfully tricking Anand. I think Anand has to charge a little bit because he has more stamina, I feel. Both are charging actually. Oh, now.
Syed's corner is yelling 1-2, 1-2, and I think he should really use it.
Yeah.
The straight punches are landing great for him, but he's not using them that often. Goes for the leg kick. Oh, that cross
connected.
landed.
That connected.
That was
landed.
jab connected.
Yeah, this is what Syed is doing great actually. But
Anand is also a little tired.
Syed is
round
fighting
three.
great outside circle.
Yeah.
I think Anand need to push the pace or else.
Oh,
I don't understand why Syed is doing
why is
that,
he
going inside circle.
Yeah. Syed is very tired. Anand is also
Anand
tired.
doesn't look tired, but I feel he is also tired
Yeah.
because he is also not going for it. In fact, Syed is actually charging. Oh.
I think Anand is showing a better poker face, but both fighters are going at it. That is
Yeah,
that
both
is
are.
for sure.
Yeah, both are tired. The only difference is Anand, you cannot see it on his face, and
Yeah.
you can see it clearly on Syed's face.
Yeah. Both fighters are like, come.
Oh, that's
Great
that's
jab.
where Syed's strength is.
That's where his strength is, and he should use it more often. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds.
This is good. Syed is maintaining the distance. That was a good one.
Great fight. That was a good fight. I think Syed really showed up in round 3. But I feel Anand takes the edge.
I feel Syed.
Well,
Let's
we
see.
have divided opinion. Let's see. You might be right.
Oh, you
Let's
might
see
be
on.
right.
Let's see
So
on
the thing
judges.
is, Syed was fighting from outside, like really, really good.
Really
But when he was going inside, Anand was better.
Was better. I think because of round 1 and round 2, I think Anand takes it. Also, he's more confident. He's
Yeah, Anand
just-
is more confident.
He
He's
knows.
clearly not tired. I can see.
Yeah, he's not tired now.
He should have attacked more.
Yeah,
actually,
more
because,
at the end of round 3, for sure.
Stored his stamina.
While waiting for
So
judges.
we have the winner by unanimous decision,
I think red.
blue corner.
Oh, blue. I was right.
Damn, that is insane. I was proven wrong, guys.
No. It was blue corner.
What a fantastic
Guys, from
fight.
now onwards, only 2 corners are allowed. Only 2 corners, please.